Hi guys, welcome back to our English classes with your favorite teacher Lenin. Today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021, and today we're going to see about comparisons. So to make a comparison, we need two things, thing 1, thing 2, and we add to the adjective or er. So how to use it? For example, if we use er for short words like small, we convert it into smaller, cheap, cheaper, large, larger, hot, hotter. But if the adjective ends with an y, we put an IER. For example, lucky, luckier, happy, happier, early, earlier, easy, easier. And if the adjective is too long, we add more handsome, more expensive, more nervous, more serious. And some adjectives change at all. For example, good as better, bad as worse, far as further, and little as less. Now let's practice. It says, a whale is big, small. A whale is then a shark. So I think, what do you think? Is it big or is it small? Yeah, that's right. It's bigger than a shark. And a goldfish is smaller than a shark. Very good. The next one. A giraffe is tall, short. A giraffe is taller than a camel, and a zebra is shorter than a camel. Very good. Let's see the next one. We have the adjectives heavy and light. So an elephant is a polar bear. What do you think is? Is it light or is it heavier? That's right, it's heavier. An elephant is heavier than a polar bear. And a dog is lighter than a polar bear. Very good. So, this was just a reminder about what we saw yesterday. We're going to practice more for tomorrow. And that's all. Have a nice day and thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.